Hey, good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. It's time for our chart of the week. And this week we're going to be focusing on uh, eatery, restaurant, Darden Group, which is Olive Garden and some other restaurants as well, too. Chart looks pretty good. Let's take a look at it here together. So what I find interesting here is, the stock has been in a long-term uptrend, follow the big blue arrow, higher highs, higher lows, and that is our textbook definition of an uptrend. It's been making um, beautiful higher highs along the way here, and more recently, this past Monday the third, February 3rd, had a beautiful outside day. Which what is an outside day? It's when the stock has a lower low and a higher high from the prior day, and it's bullish when it closes in the upper end of the range. So that's what it did on that Monday. Of course, that Monday, the fourth, was a horrible day for the market. Started off horribly and then actually improved as the day went on. But certainly a very impressive move with Darden on that day, and that follows a big sharp gap up in December following earnings. The earnings came out in mid-December, and you see it had gapped down to the 100-day moving average here, just in front of earnings, and it popped up on a big earnings surprise to the upside, meandered around a little bit, got a few sellers out there, came back and tested this 20-day moving average and started riding it back up, and then recently it's just pushed up through here to new all-time highs. Volume trends are pretty strong. We like the volume over here, and then also on the up days, the volume has been very strong as well too. MACD is on a buy signal here from a couple of weeks ago, and we do see good strength in the RSI up here, and it is overbought. Now remember, overbought doesn't necessarily mean you need to sell. It just means you need to be on watch, on caution. And if the stock does come back a little bit for a pullback because the stock has gotten overheated here, then it might be a good opportunity to step in and do some buying. So money flow, though, has improved, but it's not as great as you'd like it to see. So people are not going hand over fist into trying to buy the stock here. But still, certainly the price action tells us the most, right? And don't forget something. The price action is the king. Price action tells us exactly how to proceed, what to do. All the other secondary indicators are important, no question about it. But it's the price action that matters the most. If the price action is good and all the other indicators are not, we still pay attention to what the price is doing, and it's making higher highs and higher lows. It's telling us there's more buyers coming in this stock. I think the stock's got some room up to about 215, 220, maybe later on this year. So, and then finally, let's take a look at the cloud. The cloud is green. And it's expanding open, which means that there's some more good price action ahead as well too for Darden. So take a look at Darden. DRI is the symbol. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.